Okay, so for today, there is not a warm up because it's Friday. We actually just need to kind of go right on into the test that you need to take. So I'm going to share my screen and show you guys what you need to do. There are 3 of them today. Over on Google Classroom, 2 of them have posted, but not the 3rd one. So the first one that you should probably do is the variables test. This is what we've been doing for the past 2 weeks, basically, where you are identifying independent and dependent variables, figuring out what goes in the tables, which graph matches, things like that. So that's a 5-question test that's graded. Then you will eventually have the spiral review number 3, which is stuff from 3rd quarter spiraled in so that you can practice the stuff before AZ Merit. And spiral review number 4 is another 10 questions that is just a lot of different things throughout the year so you can practice for AZ M2. So there is 25 questions total. Take your time, do your best. You're working on those 3 tests. I do have a to-do list up for you to do, so I have it on my Google Meet if you need to log in. So start with the tests for today, and then we have the things that are graded from this week. Is the graphs from tables practice, that's from Tuesday, I believe. The equations, tables, and graphs review from yesterday. The variables test is today. And then from last week, the things that need to be done by Sunday, or they stay a 0, is the writing equations from tables practice, or the independent and dependent variable practice. Those 2 are the assignments that I graded last week that not a lot of you guys finished, so make sure you go back and finish those up as well. Keep in mind that just because it's 4th quarter doesn't mean that your grades don't count. It's like, you still got to do it. I still have the potential to hold you back or fail you if you're not doing your work this quarter. So make sure you are finishing these things, right? It's important. So go ahead and be working on those. I'll put some music up. I'm going to try and figure out how, if I can, put the music on the TV like Miss Pontel had it in ARC. So it's not super loud at my desk, which would have been nice to figure out 4 years ago and not as I'm leaving, but whatever. Spiral. Well, I'm going to in a minute. Yeah. So if you have any questions, let me know. I will be walking around. And yeah.